Hello everyone, welcome to Modern Vanita Kitchen with me Saujanya. Today in our Modern Vanita Kitchen we are going to prepare perfect sweet shop style Kaju Burfi. If you are going to prepare the same way as I do as shown in the video, your Kaju Burfi will turn out so perfect. This is the secret recipe of our Sampurna Ahara kitchen venture. So definitely follow the recipe till the end to get perfect consistency of the Kaju Burfi. And this burfi is not adulterated with any milk powder or any other flavors. This is so pure Kaju burfi. Kids will relish this recipe. It's made in a proper healthy way. Today for this recipe, I am going to take 1.5 cups of whole cashews. This amount would be easily sufficient to make 250 grams to 300 grams of burfi. So initially let us take 1.5 cups of whole cashews. Now transfer this cashew to a mixer jar and grind them to a fine powder. We need to grind these cashews in stepwise. We should not grind them at high speed. We should start from low speed and then go to high speed so that our cashew powder will not form any lumps. It should be fine powdered like this. Now that our Kaju powder is perfectly ready, let's begin the burfi preparation. For this, switch on the stove, take a kadai and add 3/4 cup of sugar. For our burfi, 3/4 cup of sugar is perfectly sufficient for the quantity of cashews we have taken. And add 1/4 cup of water to this. Keep stirring the sugar and water. After few minutes, the sugar dissolves completely in the water. Once the sugar is dissolved in the water, our sugar syrup will be ready. At this stage, we need to add half a teaspoon of ilachi powder, but this is completely optional. Then we should add the Kaju powder to this and stir properly. Keep on stirring this Kaju flour so that it mixes properly into the sugar syrup on low flame to medium flame. We should never keep this on high flame. This might take almost 6 to 7 minutes. Stir it properly so that it is completely lump free. Keeping it lump free gives us perfect Kaju texture. Keep stirring this Kaju paste for few more minutes on low flame. It will start thickening. See, the Kaju paste has thickened a bit. It will take few more minutes for our Kaju burfi paste to get ready. At this stage, our dough is ready as it is not sticking to the sides of the pan. Switch off the stove, transfer it to a greasy plate and let it cool down. Once our Kaju Katli dough comes to room temperature, we need to roll it properly. I am rolling it this way. Generally, we do this way to chapati dough. We need to do the same way to this dough. Now that our dough is ready, we need to roll it using a chapati rolling pin. I'll be adjusting the sides and roll it in the form of a square shape so that it will be easy for us to cut into diamond shape. So now at this stage, I'll cut this Kaju Katli dough into diamond shaped pieces so that we'll get that perfect sweet shop style Kaju Katli. Look at the texture of the burfi. It tastes so yum. Definitely try this recipe. Kids will enjoy this. This is purest form of Kaju burfi. It is not adulterated with any milk powder or any other additives. For these kind of healthy recipes and best recipes in sweet shop style, definitely subscribe our channel. To subscribe our channel, please do press subscribe button and press the bell icon to get further notifications on uploads.